Hey guys, what up? The sun is shining, birds are chirping, dogs are lazing around, and my keyboard does not work. And you know, it really makes me feel like. But that's okay, because we're gonna fix this. So in this house, we have 4 cats, 5 dogs, and a crap ton of fish. Each pet has special requirements and needs. For the cats, we had this window all the way opened, and it was tragic because that sprinkler right there, that thing right there, decided to go off and get my laptop wet. So, in regards to my laptop, I have the HP Pavilion 17 e031nr. The Pavilion 17 E series, as far as I can tell, the keyboards are actually pretty compatible with a lot of the laptops. If go online, do a little searching, I'll put a link below where I found this one. It was about $11. They range from like $11 to $20. It's depending on how fast you get it shipped to you. Also, on a side note, I just want to tell you guys why I'm doing this. So after my computer got wrecked from that sprinkler over there, I got this thing estimated, and they said after parts and service it'd be $180. That's preposterous. This is $11, which means that service is $169. It's only going to take a few minutes to fix this thing, which is why I'm trying to emphasize why you and I can do it. Alright guys, so first things first, we need to disconnect the power, close this up, turn this around, take out the battery pack, and then what's holding the release door is actually one screw right here. So I'm going to take our Phillips, unscrew it, and the release door should pop out more or less with ease. Ta-da! Alright, so on my keyboard replacement, I have 2 little places for screws, here and here. And this indicates that there's 2 screws on the back of my laptop here to hold this keyboard in place. Again, I have the HP Pavilion 17 e031nr. So it might vary depending on your model, but my screw is here and here. So we're gonna have to take them out. Alright, so let's take out the first one. One. Take out the second one. Two. Done. Okay, so after removing the back of your 2 screws from the laptop, what you're gonna have to do now is actually take out the keyboard. There's several ways of attempting this. I'm gonna try getting a flathead screwdriver and running it along right here. And you should hear the clips actually pop out as you're doing it. After taking out the keyboard from the initial laptop, you're going to see the ribbon cable right down here. It's important to try to grab it and pull evenly. It pops right out. So then, after removing your old keyboard, it's practically the same process but in reverse. So instead of unplugging this one, you're going to plug it back in. Make sure your keyboard is the right way. And of course, it is kind of a pain, depending on, how small the pins are, or how good your eyes are. Snug as a bug in a rug. Pop in your keyboard. Let's close it. Put our screws back in. battery pack than this. And I'm trying to show that, like, if someone is going to charge you $180 for parts and service, look into doing it yourself. And make sure you properly take care of your pets, obviously. Alright, and then afterwards, you're going to want to put your battery back in. And that should be the end of it. Open it. Take it with me. Turn it on. Alright, and we'll see if this thing works. I have faith in myself and whatnot, but I just want to show. Because now I can use my laptop, and that's fucking awesome. That's a good sign. Well, this is obviously showing me that it can indicate that I have my actual part installed. Again, this was for the HP Pavilion 17 e031nr. And that's how you fix this. This is superb. I'm actually really happy. It works, 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 it works. Yeah!